Sport Escape. Turn the light on here. Turn the light on. Flex pipe. That's all you can see. Oh, through here a little bit. Gonna remove this bracket. Be able to get in up and behind here. Show you in a little bit. Once I get a bit more cleared out. Okay, and this is with everything unbolted and cleared out. Then just give it a good yank, make it come down. Make it come down. There's more room. Now I'm just gonna cut this off. Take my die grinder with a cutting blade, come up in here and just whoop, all the way around it. I'll give you a sight on that before I start cutting. You'll see, it just barely fits. Oh. There, I got that sucker cut off. As you can see, I get my die grinder in there a little bit, but you mess around with it enough, you'll get it done. I'll show you in a bit when I get it right. Hey, so now got her all zinged off out of there. Boom. Kind of tricky getting around there, but there is enough room because I just did it. So, determination. Got to clean that up, clean this up. We'll size up a flex to go in there and we'll see what's up. So after you get it all nice and pretty, trim, so you can weld it, and put the sucker back in place so you can measure it. Get it? Let me bolt this up and I'll show you. There. Now I got it back up finger tight. Now I'll be able to measure it from here over there, see what my distance is, and get the appropriate one to fit in there, probably a 2-inch. But I'll get one in there and see what it looks like. There. Now, it's all fitted in there. Not welded yet, just fitted. Okay, stay loose. Like I said, 2-inch, nice perfect fit up there. Nice perfect fit here. So now you want to throw 4 or 5 good tacks on here, haul it back down, weld this one up, and then we can attack that for a final before we put it all back together. So I'll throw a couple of tacks on this, weld it up, put it back up and show you, and then weld that sucker up. We'll see what's up. There you are, all tacked up. That right there, we can weld her up. And this is what she looks like when you get her welded. Now I'm just going to stuff it up there and I'll show you in a second here. Alright, now I got her back bolted on there. That welded. Now I just got to weld that sucker. So, give me a second, I'll be right back. I'll weld her up. A little tricky, but it's doable. You'll see. Well, there you have her, folks. All welded in. I'll zoom in a little bit here. And yeah, she's all welded on top there. All the way around. Boom. So it can be done. It's not the easiest, it's not the funnest, but it took me an hour. So now I just gotta put it all back together and I'll whip you a quick picture at the very end. Later. And this is the final results. Can't even tell. She's up there.